trying to see where
I got it actually, I got some scribbling on my own. Added it, changed the terminology back to the two consecutive weeks of advertising.
Yeah.
And then added this at the conclusion of the public hearing. No, that's the same.
So then under the proposals, I changed it to the zoning commission shall listen to all persons who may speak in support or in opposition to the application. At the conclusion of the public hearing, the zoning commission shall make a recommendation to approve, deny, or approve of conditions.
So it's basically the same.
We just switched the order a little bit.
Okay. That's on 10.1.3.2. And then point 3, we got deliberation and decisions. Upon the receipt of the recommendation from the zoning commission, the county commission shall make a decision on the citing permit application within 30 days. And they approve, deny, or approve with conditions and issue a permit. And we struck if the zoning commission finds that the prospective committee will comply with all regulation requirements, it may within 30 days after the issue.
And that's yeah, we're striking that because the zoning commission doesn't make that decision. So we got it. It's just a recommendation.
Okay. Demonstration of compliance. The permit issued pursuant to 10.1.3.3 shall include the following conditions. And then it was struck to be contingent upon committee's final demonstration of compliance within the terms of the permit following the completion of construction of the wind energy facility. Struck that. And then within 90 days of completion of the wind energy facility construction, the permittee shall submit to the zoning commission an updated and final USGS topographical map or survey if available, providing all information pursuant to 10.1.3.1 and demonstrating actual compliance with the requirements and conditions of this permit. They're the same. That's finished with the page. Should we continue?
Well, should we?
Yeah, I think since this is an empty page, it would be good to vote on it.
I'll move to approve section 10.1.3.2 and 10.1.3.4 on page 10 with Ashley Attorney Ashley Lee's decisions.
Okay, we have a motion for these. Is there a second? Motion and a second. Any discussion on any of them? Any discussion? Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Motion carries. Okay, then these are pretty simple too. 10.1.4 is we're just striking the permittee, striking the word shall and put may, place overhead feeder lines on public right-of-ways if public right-of-ways exist, or the permittee may place feeder lines on private property. The change of routes may be made as long as the feeders remain on public right-of-ways and approval has been obtained from the governmental unit responsible for the affected right-of-ways. When placing feeders on private property, the committee shall place the feeder in accordance with the easement negotiated with the affected landowner. So you're just striking the one word.
One word.
Shall domain. And same thing again. Now we've done this summer.
Yeah.
This setbacks.
Is this different?
Nope, this is the exact same.
Oh.
Exact same.
So do we have to even go on it? Do you want me to read it?
Yes, I think we should vote on it again. The concern was whether we had 1 week notice or 2 weeks notice at that time.
So this would solidify.
This would solidify that.
Yes.
And it's proposed item. I think we got half on it.
Yes.
Proposed item.
Okay, so I will read it. Areas less than 1 1/10 times the height of the turbine from the property line of a non-participating landowner and less than 3 times the height of the turbine or more from an inhabited rural residence of a non-participating landowner must be excluded in the consideration of a site for a wind energy conversion area unless a variance is granted. County Commission may grant the variance if an authorized landowner and affected parties with associated wind rights file a written agreement expressing the support of all parties for a variance to reduce the setback requirements in this subsection. A non-participating landowner is a landowner that has not signed a wind option or an easement agreement with the permittee of the wind energy conversion facility as defined in Century Code Chapter 1704. For purpose of this subsection, height of the turbine means the distance from the base of the wind turbine to the turbine blade tip when it's in its highest position. Okay? I'll read it.
With that, I'll move to, approve section 10.1.4 and 10.1.5 revisions as per, Shalisa's recommended changes.
Okay, we have a motion, is there a second? I'll second it.
Discussion, please.
Discussion?
So in the bottom of 11, where it says areas less than 1 and 1/10 times the height of the turbine from the property line of a non-participating landowner, and less than 3 times the height of a turbine or more from an inhabited rural residence of a non-participating landowner. That's basically what we did at our June meeting, and zoning passed it out, the county commission adopted it and everything else. Since then, the developer that has brought these forward has made, is it fair to say that you've made a gesture to stay back further than that to the non-participants? I mean, it kind of came out and said that they're willing to stay a mile away from the non-participants. So, I mean, I would say that they've done more than what's required of them. That was a big division. I think that's part of the setbacks is why we had some townships leave the county zoning. Would this be a time when we could maybe limit more leaving by saying they have came about and developed this with a larger setback, put some, go with what they did. Maybe nobody's up for that, but maybe that would keep townships from this divide or whatever. I mean, I'm gonna flat out say it. It appears like they did